Welcome to 7th grade math. That was your homework from last night. Here are the graphs that were part of your homework. And moving on, making real world connections. Ellen has 3 different fish tanks. The feeding schedule for the fish in each is shown below. The fish in tank A need to be fed every 2 days, tank B every 3 days, and tank C every 4 days. Ellen fed the fish in all 3 tanks today. When will she feed the fish in all 3 tanks on the same day again? So we're going to create an organized list of the data that you know. Create lists of days you will need to feed the fish in each tank. Tank A is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14 days. Tank B, 3, 6, 9, 12. And tank C, 4, 8, 12. So we notice that 12 is common to all 3. So we're going to feed all the fish on the same day again in 12 days. So we listed the multiples of 2, 3, and 4, and we found the first common multiple or least common multiple. Make an organized list. I am ordering a pizza. The crust choices are thin or hand tossed. The meat choices are pepperoni or sausage, and the vegetable choices are olives, mushrooms, or banana peppers. So your mission, Nikki chooses from 1 crust, 1 meat, and 1 vegetable choice. Make an organized list to find out how many different types of pizza Nikki can order and understand the problem. You know the crust, meat, and vegetable options for the pizza. You need to find all the possible combinations that can be made. And the plan, make an organized list of all the possible combinations. Use T for thin, H for hand tossed, P for pepperoni, S for sausage, O for olive, M for mushrooms, and B for banana peppers. So to solve, choosing thin crust, we're going to have TPO, which is thin pepperoni and olives, thin pepperoni and mushroom, thin pepperoni and banana peppers. And we're going to have thin sausage olives, thin sausage mushrooms, and thin sausage banana peppers. Choosing for hand tossed crust, we have hand tossed pepperoni olives, hand tossed pepperoni mushroom, hand tossed pepperoni banana peppers, hand tossed sausage olive, hand tossed sausage mushroom, hand tossed sausage bell pepper. There are 12 different combinations of pizza that can be ordered, right? Because there's 6 for thin crust and there's 6 for hand tossed crust. So to check, draw a tree diagram to check the results. And scaffolding questions. Use the topping menu to the right. Find out how many different combinations of 2 topping pizzas you can make. So how can you find all the possible combinations? That's right, we're going to make a list. So we have pepperoni sausage, pepperoni mushroom, pepperoni olive, sausage mushroom, sausage olive, mushroom olive. So there are 6 combinations. We're going to make an organized list. So in order to log on to the computer at school, Miranda must use a password. The password is 2 characters. The first character is the letter A or B, followed by a single numeric digit. So how many passwords does Miranda have to choose from? So if it's A in a single digit, 0 through 9. And if it's B in a single digit, it's 0 through 9 again. So there are 20 possible combinations. So we're going to review the problem solving techniques so far this year. Guess and check. Make a guess until you find an answer that makes sense for the problem. Then check your guess by doing the math. Look for a pattern. Just look for a pattern, then extend the pattern to find the solution. Work backward. Start with the end result and work backward. And then today, make an organized list. make an organized list of all the possible combinations. Here's your homework. Head on over to Google Classrooms to submit it. And thank you very much and have a great day.